Before watching this video, don't forget to click subscribe and to turn on your notifications. Here is a great resource to get your materials and assignments on Google Classrooms organized. Here you have a pacing guide which you're able to go in and edit. With this weekly pacing overview, students are able to directly view what assignment is scheduled for that specific day. All subject pictures are interactive, and if clicked, they help you to navigate through this template. Students are able to click the tablet and access directly any assignment posted on Google Classrooms. Hopefully, this template helps you to organize your Google Classrooms and materials that are posted. Stay updated with my newest resources by following my Instagram at Priceless Resources. You could also search my store, Priceless Resources, on teacherspayteachers.com.